This is the Izorro matte black over mirror vanity light I bought for a bathroom gut reno we have coming up. Before our contractor installs it for us, I wanted to do a quick unboxing to go over what's included and how it's going to be put together. Really gorgeous. I got the frosted. You can also get clear. I just thought that the frosted would produce just a better light without hurting your eyes looking toward the vanity. So I just thought this would be a better option. So there's 3 of these. They do make this in several sizes though. This was going to be the best fit for my vanity. It's the 3 lights, but you can get much wider ones. This is the base. It's gorgeous. And then this is the back. So where the electrical whatnot is going to be going into your wall. And I love how big and wide this is. So if you're not doing a gut renovation, it's a nice way to kind of cover up other holes that you may have going on in your wall. This is gorgeous, the matte black. Oh, I love it. And here, each one of these is for your little fixture. Here's your user's manual and electrical stuff. In the user's manual / instructions, it goes over what is included in the box, how to install it, and get it hooked up in case you are DIYing it. And that's how the clear ones will look. Again, I got the frosted ones. Gorgeous. These come with the washer and the nut already on, so you're gonna have to take those off, feed them through, and then install on the back again. All right, so this is where I'm going to leave it up to the professionals to take it from here. But this is kind of a close look at how it's gonna look until that. I've got 2 installed, and then you've got to take this off to get the 3rd one installed. So I'm not even gonna bother with that because they're gonna just have to do that when they install the whole thing into the wall. It's still under construction, but hello! We've got it up. It looks gorgeous. We just have standard LED light bulbs in there, but wow, look at that. Yes, it's beautiful. Our contractor did this, so I had nothing to do with the installation, but just wanted to give you the final look. It's beautiful. I think you can do it facing down or facing up, but if it's facing down, it's much easier to change the light bulbs. And the light bulbs we use are just standard size and they don't stick out. And then this is like eye level. You see them just barely, but with the frosted, it's a really nice like diffusion of light. Just really, really great. Like I don't have the ceiling lights on, and it's a really, really great light they put out. Amazing. I love the look and everything. Gorgeous.